Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to add another call in Phone. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Android phone and open the Phone app. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. This is the app you usually use to make calls. Step 2. Now, start by making a call. Dial the number of the first person you want to talk to and wait for them to answer. Once they pick up, you'll be able to proceed to the next step. Step 3. After the call is connected, look at your screen for the More option. It may appear as 3 dots or a menu button, depending on your phone model. Tap on it to reveal additional call options. Step 4. In the menu, you will see an option labeled Add Call. Tap on it, then either type the phone number or select a contact from your list. Once you have chosen the person, tap the call button to dial them. Step 5. When the second call is being placed, your first call will be automatically put on hold. You can now switch between calls or merge them into a conference call if your phone supports that feature. This method makes it easy to communicate with multiple people at once. That's it. Now you know how to add another call on your phone quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.